The camera world is buzzing again, and this time it's Canon stealing the spotlight. The brand new Canon EOS R7 Mark II has arrived, and photographers everywhere are asking the same question. Is it really worth the upgrade from the original R7? The first EOS R7 was already a fan favorite, blending speed, affordability, and Canon's powerful RF system into one compact APS-C package. But now, Canon has taken things up a notch with faster burst shooting, smarter AI autofocus, improved video tools, and a brand new stacked sensor that promises stunning image quality. In today's video, we're diving deep into the design, performance, and real-world upgrades of the R7 Mark II to find out if this camera is just an evolution, or a true game-changer for photographers and content creators alike. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The camera world is buzzing once again, and this time the spotlight falls on Canon with the highly anticipated EOS R7 Mark II. As one of the most discussed APS-C mirrorless cameras of the year, the R7 Mark II has generated a wave of curiosity among enthusiasts, content creators, and professionals alike. The original Canon EOS R7, launched in 2022, quickly became a favorite in Canon's mirrorless lineup because it offered a rare combination of speed, affordability, and APS-C crop flexibility inside the RF mount system. For photographers who wanted Canon's latest autofocus technology without investing in a full-frame body, the R7 was a solid choice. But now, Canon is raising the bar with the Mark II edition, and the big question is it truly worth the upgrade? At first glance, the EOS R7 Mark II feels familiar. Canon has chosen to refine rather than completely reinvent the body design. The grip remains deep and comfortable, making it easy to handle larger RF lenses, while the button layout has been slightly adjusted for smoother usability. Canon listened to user feedback from the R7 and repositioned certain dials and controls for a more intuitive shooting experience. The EVF has also been improved, with higher resolution and faster refresh rates that bring it closer to the experience of an optical viewfinder. These subtle refinements suggest that Canon isn't trying to fix what wasn't broken, but instead focusing on elevating the experience for demanding photographers. One of the most important areas where the R7 Mark II shines is performance. Under the hood, Canon has equipped the camera with its latest Digic X processor, paired with a next-generation APS-C stacked CMOS sensor. The result? Faster burst shooting speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and better dynamic range. The original R7 could already shoot at an impressive 15 frames per second mechanical and 30 frames per second electronic, but early reports suggest that the Mark II pushes even further, with 20 frames per second mechanical and up to 40 frames per second electronic shutter bursts. For wildlife and sports photographers, this upgrade alone could be a game-changer, allowing them to freeze action with incredible precision. Canon has also improved the buffer depth, so you can shoot longer bursts without waiting for the camera to catch up. But speed is only half the story. Autofocus is where Canon has really doubled down. The R7 Mark II inherits the advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system seen in Canon's flagship models like the EOS R3 and R5. This means better subject recognition powered by deep learning algorithms, with the ability to track humans, animals, vehicles, and even aircraft with remarkable accuracy. One of the